Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to upgrade your Spotify account to premium. So let's get started. At first, let's go to Spotify app. Now in the top right corner, we can see setting icon. So let's tap on this. So here we can see Go Premium option. So let's tap on this. Now if we scroll down, we can see various plans. You can choose any you are interested in. Let's tap on this one. Now if we scroll down, you can simply continue with Spotify. Now you can choose people or credit or debit. And scroll down, enter your card number, expiry date, security code and check mark over here. And now if you simply tap on buy now, you are done with getting premium. So this is how you can upgrade your Spotify account to premium. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.